Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a super easy, crispy, crunchy, fried shrimp recipe. Stay tuned. Time to season our shrimp. Half teaspoon of creole seasoning. 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Quarter cup of Old Bay hot sauce. Mix it together. Make sure it's nice and seasoned. It's already smelling good. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix that bad boy together real good. And then we're just gonna add this to our hot oil, just like that. All right, go ahead and heat your pan up. Add your cooking oil. This is 2 cups of cooking oil. Turn your stove up to about medium-high heat and fry your shrimp until they are nice and crispy. Add your shrimp. These are going to be so delicious. Trust me. Once the shrimp becomes crispy, they are good to go. Go ahead and flip your shrimp. All right, our shrimp are nice and crispy. So we're just gonna remove it from the oil. You can already hear that crunch. Oh yeah. These are nice and golden. Look how nice and crispy these are, guys. Just finish it off with a little fresh squeeze of lime. You're good to go. Enjoy. These shrimp are so good, guys. Crunchy, crispy. You know, it's not overpowering with the seasonings, you know, that we added earlier. You know, the creole seasoning, all-purpose. It's not salty. It's just perfect. And I'm just enjoying this, you know, right now with one of my favorite dipping sauce. Wow. Ooh. I think I'm in heaven right now.